mom has been experiencing some knee pain and has actually wanted to improve her squat mobility for quite some time now. So I'm going to show you guys what I plan on implementing in her exercise routine to do exactly that. Basically, what I kind of wanted to have you show them first is just kind of like a normal squat for you and what it looks like now. And keep in mind, people, I work with seniors, I work with people who literally can't go down like at all. So everybody's squatting capabilities are different. Yeah, good. So that's pretty solid. But ideally, what we want from most people is to get to a point where you can fully flex your knee all the way in the bottom position where you're just hanging tight. Just because you can't do it today doesn't mean you don't want to strive to do it at some point in the future. A great tool that we can actually use to do this is called a Slantboard. This isn't the normal Slantboard that I usually use. This is the one at my gym, and I'll go ahead and link in the description the one that I actually recommend. But what I'm going to have my mom start doing 2 to 3 times a week is doing Slantboard squats, okay? So basically for this, it's gonna elevate your heels slightly, and with that, it's gonna take some of the ankle mobility out of this movement. So when you go down, your ankles don't have to do as much work, so your knees and hips actually can go a little bit lower into your deep squatting position. This isn't to say she'll be able to get into a full deep squat position, but it will allow her to get a little bit lower. Go ahead and step up, and then same concept, just go as low as you comfortably can. Yeah, so you probably noticed when she just did one, she went down at least 2 to 3 inches more. Go ahead and do one more. Perfect, good. So it's really that simple, guys. This little tool will actually improve your overall squat mobility incredibly fast. I'm gonna have her do maybe 1 set of 10 very slow repetitions, 2 to 3 times a week. Implement these in your routine.